Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your BMW X6. First, ensure both vehicles are completely turned off and not touching each other. Gather your jumper cables and consider wearing safety gloves and eye protection. This helps prevent any accidental shocks or sparks during the process. Safety is always the top priority when working with vehicle batteries. Next, open the hood of your BMW X6 and the donor vehicle. On your BMW, look for a red cap or a plus sign, plus, indicating the positive jump start terminal, usually in the engine bay. For the negative connection, you'll use an unpainted metal surface on the engine block or chassis, away from the battery itself. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. First, attach one red clamp to the positive terminal of your dead BMW X6. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle. Next, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the working vehicle. Finally, connect the other black clamp to the unpainted metal ground point on your BMW X6. With the cables securely connected, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for a few minutes. Then, try to start your BMW X6. Once your BMW starts, carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection. First the black from your BMW, then the black from the donor car, followed by the red from the donor car, and finally the red from your BMW. Drive your BMW for at least 30 minutes to help recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.